In this video, we are going to show you how to make manual time entry on the dashboard. A user with manager or admin access to the system can manually add time card entries to the system. It can be a break or a shift. You can make a manual time entry in a few simple steps. On the main menu, click on the time clock and select time logs from the drop-down. On the next screen, click on New Entry. Now enter all the required details. Under the type option, select whether it will be a shift or a break, and simply click Add. For a shift with breaks included, you will need to make different entries for the shift and the break. For creating an entry for the breaks, you just need to select the type of the break and the system will pick from the breaks database whether the break is paid or unpaid, allowing you to separate payable guard hours from the unpaid breaks. The entry is added to the list with the default status as pending. To approve the entry, click on the status and confirm. The approved entry is reflected in the time card as well. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our support team anytime.